Hi, my name is Bobby, and welcome to the Rabbitry Center. I've been raising rabbits for many years, and my goal here is to give you advice that's honest, practical, and it's based on real experience. It's not theoretical, because raising rabbits can be fun, rewarding, and even profitable when it's done right. There's so many people on YouTube, and like a lot of folks, I didn't start out just knowing everything. I made my share of mistakes, from housing setups that didn't work, feeding routines I had to adjust. There were some tough lessons, some losses, and over the years I've tested and learned and improved, and now I share those lessons so you don't have to make the same mistakes. Now, you may not agree with everything that I say or do. That's perfectly okay. If your goal is to raise rabbits indoors, or mainly for pets or show, I'd recommend finding a YouTube creator who shares those same goals and adopting their methods. But if your goal is production, raising rabbits for meat, building a backyard profit, and using your passion to create a better lifestyle, more freedom, more time with your family, then you're in the right place. That's my specialty. That's what I love helping folks achieve. And to support you, I've created hundreds of videos covering almost every topic in the rabbit production. Just type in the Rabbitry Center followed by your topic into the search engine. And you'll find my firsthand experience and honest opinions. I also host a podcast. I offer a list of published books and guides and offer online courses that walk you step by step through turning your rabbitry into a business. And while rabbits are at the heart of what I do, we also share our adventures in beekeeping and deer hunting. Here in Michigan, it's a big deal. So if you enjoy animals, homesteading, or the outdoors, you'll feel right at home. So if you're ready to raise rabbits with confidence, avoid the mistakes I've already made, and learn how to turn your passion into something sustainable, hit that subscribe button and join me here at the Rabbitry Center. I'm glad you're here, and I can't wait to help you on your rabbitry journey.